In triangle ABC, angle C is a right angle, and tan A is equal to 2 over 3. Draw a diagram and find the value of cos A. So we want to first draw a diagram, and we know that angle C is a right angle, so I know that the triangle has to be a right angle. And it says C is the right angle, so I'll say this is C. And either this could be A and this is B, or it could be the other way around where this is A and this is B. It doesn't matter because what we're trying to find is the value of cos A. So we can just assume that, let's say this is A and this is B. It doesn't matter. But what matters is how we can understand what tan A means. So remember what we learned in trigonometry. We remembered so, ka, toa. And what these mean is that so is sine, ka is cosine, and toa is tan. So here it says tan A is 2 over 3. Now here toa means opposite over adjacent. And it says 2 over 3, so that means 2 is opposite, 3 is adjacent. And we're looking at tan A, so we're focusing on A. Now what is opposite of A? Well, this side here is opposite of A, so I can write that as 2. And what's adjacent to A? Well, this side here is adjacent, so I write this as 3. Now, I finished drawing my diagram. Now I want to find the value of cos A. So, just now we focused on tangent. Now we want to focus on cosine, which is ka, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we already know what adjacent is. Cos A is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent side is 3. However, we don't know what the hypotenuse is. As you can see, we don't know what this side is. So what we can do is we can remember Pythagoras theorem. In order to find the hypotenuse, we do 2 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. So remember the formula for that was a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And now we just apply that here and solve for c. So I can use my calculator. 2 squared plus 3 squared is equal to 13. 13 equals to c squared. In order to find c, I'm a square root 13, and I get 3.6 rounded out. So I solved for c, which is actually h. I can write cos A is equal to 3 over 3.6. So now I can just leave my answer like that as a fraction, or I could just divide them. So 3 divided by 3.6 on my calculator is 0.8. And there's my answer. So this is how you solve for the hypotenuse in a word problem.